how to fix Sons of the Forest crashing on Steam or glitching. So first you want to go to your library, and then you want to right click on the game and go to properties, and then go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files, and just wait for it to finish the process. And once it's finished, try to launch the game again to see if that solves the problem. Otherwise, what you can do is click on browse on the same directory, click on browse, and then click on the game.exe file, right click on it, go to properties, and then go to compatibility, and now check disable full screen optimizations and run this program as admin, and then click on apply and OK. Now you want to launch the game again and see if that fixes the issue. And if the issue still persists, what you can do is check your GPU updates. So if you have an NVIDIA GPU, you will need to install NVIDIA app and then open it. And once the app is open, you want to go to drivers section, and then make sure you have the latest game ready driver if you're an NVIDIA user. You can use this arrow to check for updates, and then click on download and install for the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. And once it's installed, you will need to reboot your computer and then launch Steam again as administrator and launch the game, and that should solve the issue. Thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.